On this video today, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. I'm going to be showing you an offer with higher payout and a highly targeted cheap traffic source that you can use to promote the offer. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, you can join OGRs or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPAgrip. CPAgrip is available worldwide. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote offers on this platform. Once you create an account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. But all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of them. All these offers, they have their payout and they have their specific requirements. You can see most of them, the payout is low. So what you have to do is that you have to find another country where you can get offers with higher payout. So you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select and then get offers to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting offers in Canada. So search for Canada. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see a whole lot of them. As you can see this offer right here, the payout is very high. You are going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. The best part is that your potential visitors do not need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter a PIN code so that they can win back to school gift card and you are going to be paid the amount right here. They can enter their details on an Android device, Apple device or desktop. Any of these devices that your potential visitors are using, they can enter their details for you to make money. You can see a lot of different other offers that you can promote. You can see in this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. To promote the offer, you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see verify with your PayPal. So they have to verify with their PayPal accounts so that they can earn the gift card. Once they enter their details, you are going to be paid the amount right here. This is your affiliate link, so you have to promote this link to people who live in Canada so that they can fill their details for you to get paid. You can see right here, if you want, you can select any domain that you want. You can see they have a lot of different tracking domains. Once you get to know the details of the offer, the next step is that you have to promote your affiliate links so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on it and then fill their details for you to get paid. There are two types of traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can use free traffic or you can use the paid traffic. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted cheap traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Canada to click on your link and then fill their details so that you can get paid. The traffic source that we are going to be using is whosground.com. On this website, you can get traffic at a cheap cost. The best part is that you can target more than 200 countries. You can see it right here, 200 plus countries, and you can see the cost per click is very cheap. As you can see it right here, they get a lot of daily impressions. So if you promote your offer, you are going to be getting a lot of people who will click on it and then take the action for you to make money. You can see they have a lot of different ad formats that you can use, as you can see. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can promote your affiliate link to get many people so that they can enter their details for you to make money. To sign up for an account, you are going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select the account type. So you have to select individual. Once that is done, you are going to enter your name, enter your email address. Once that is done, you are going to enter your Telegram ID, your Skype ID. You are going to select the vertical, that is the type of business that you are running. So in this case, you can select any of them. Once that is done, you are going to select your monthly budget. You have to fill all these details. Once you fill all the details, you are going to click right here, register, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to create your campaign. To create a campaign, you are going to click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So we can type something like back to school something like this, back to school. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to go back on CPAgrip so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPAgrip, you are going to copy your affiliate link. So click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you have to scroll down so that you can enter the rest of the details. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see category. You are going to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of different categories that you can select. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. Any of these categories that you want, you can select it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select finance. Since the offer is not specific, you can select any category that you want. Once you select the category, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see add format. You can see they have the classic push. If you want to activate it, you can activate it right here. But in this case, I don't want the classic push. I'm going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see they have in-page push and then pop as. So any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push. So click on it. Once you select it, you can see this is how it is going to appear. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see targeting. You are going to select the country that you are targeting. So click on it and then select the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Canada. So you are going to type Canada. Just search for it, Canada. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. As you can see, that has been done. The offer is fully allowed in Canada. So leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see careers. Just leave everything. Network type, leave everything. Device. This is where you are going to select the specific device that you are targeting. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select tablet. Once that is done, you are going to click on it and then select smartphone. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the device, you can see the operating system. So you are going to click on it and then select Android. Because the offer is allowed on Android, you can see it right here, Android. Once you select the operating system, you can select the browsers. So you can see them right here. Just leave it because we are not going to target any browser. The offer is allowed on all browsers, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see frequency capping. So if you want to limit the number of impressions that an IP address get per 24 hours, you can select that. You can see everything. But in this case, we are going to leave it at default. So just leave everything. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want to whitelist any IP address, you can do that. If you want to blacklist anything, you can do that. But in this case, we are not going to blacklist or whitelist anything. So just leave it. Once that is done, you can see your cost per click. This is the amount that you are going to pay per every click that you get. You can see they have the recommended byte. That is the amount right here. They have the top byte and you can see the minimum byte. Don't select the minimum byte because if you select the minimum byte, you are not going to be getting a lot of traffic. So you can either use the recommended byte or the top byte. So in this case, I'm going to be using the recommended byte. So just leave it like this. This is just a demo account, but you have to deposit money and then set the daily budget. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see creativities. So we are going to enter the details of the ad. We are going to enter the title and the description. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPAgrip so that you can get a title and a description. Once you come back on CPAgrip, you are going to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see a description is required. So you are going to paste a description right here. You have to come back on CPAgrip again, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to upload an image of the offer. So you have to come back on CPAgrip. Once you come back, you are going to put your pointer on the image of the offer and then right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on that, you are going to click on save so that you can download the image onto your device. Once you download the image, you are going to click right here, upload, so that you can upload the image of the offer. Once you click on upload, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You have to now crop it. So crop it like this. Once you crop it, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, save changes. Once you click on it, you can see this is the offer image. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, if you want, you can upload the same image right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, select your image again, click on open. You can see the image is too narrow. It is not allowed. We have to create an image of this size on Canva, but you are not going to do that. It is optional, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see auto optimization by creativity, so just leave it at default. You can see automatic rules. If you want to set a rule, you can do that, but in this case we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can now publish your ad. To publish your ad, click right here, publish campaign. Once you click on publish campaign, you can see you created a campaign, so your campaign has been created. The next step is that you have to deposit money into your account so that your ad can begin running. Now the next step is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you are going to select your payment method and then deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have the credit card, so if you are using Visa or MasterCard, you can deposit money into your accounts. If you are using Capitalist, you can deposit money. Cryptocurrencies, you can deposit money. You can also deposit money using wire transfer. You can deposit it through your bank. Once you deposit money, your ad is going to be running and you are going to get people who click on it in Canada and then fill the details for you to make money. The minimum deposit is $100. You can see it right here. That is the minimum deposit if you are using a credit card. If you are using the wire transfer, the minimum deposit is $200, but if you are using the credit card, it's $100. You can see it right here. So make sure you deposit money into your accounts and then run your ad so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.